In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can operate with directed numbers, in particular addition and subtraction. I've got 6 questions in front of me. Looking at the first question, I've got 3 add negative 3. When two numbers are being added, you can actually interchange them and still get exactly the same answer. So whether I'm doing 3 add negative 3 or negative 3 add 3, I will get exactly the same answer. Negative 3 add 3, starting at negative 3 and counting 3 on a number line, will take me to 0. Negative 3 add 3 is 0. 3 add negative 3 is also 0. For the next question, I've got 8 minus negative 8. Another word for minus is subtract, take away, or difference. I need to find the difference between 8 and negative 8. So with negative 8, 0 and 8, I'd have to count up 8 on the number line to get to 0, and another 8 in order to get to 8. Altogether, as you can see, I've counted up 16. So when I'm finding the difference between 8 and negative 8, it's the same as 8 add 8. 8 add 8 is 16. Applying the same rule to question 3. 6 take away negative 1. This will be the same as 6 add 1. So when I'm taking away a negative, it will be the same as adding on the number. 6 add 1 is 7. It works even when I've got question 4. Negative 5 take away negative 1. Because I'm taking away a negative number, this question will be the same as negative 5 add 1. Negative 5 add 1 is negative 4. With question 5, I've got negative 5, and I'm adding on another negative number. So here I'm making it more negative. So therefore, negative 5 take away 1 will be negative 6. And finally, the last one, negative 4 add negative 6. So I'm adding on a negative number, so I'll be making it more negative. Negative 4 take away 6 is negative 10.